Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take this circular part as a base. The dimension is outer dia 80 and inner diameter is 56. Length is 50 plus 10, 60 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select extruded boss. Select the right plane, create two circles, give the dimension 80 and 56 mm. So finish sketch. Here select the mid plane 60 mm. Next select the right plane, sketch. Create rough sketch. Give the dimension. This is 106 and this is 100 mm. This is 30.5. So give the constraints here. Select convert entities, select this circle, trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Finish sketch, extrude. Here select mid plane, the distance we want 50 mm. Next you can see there is a circular part. The distance from the center wall is 100 mm. So outer dia 56 and inner dia 28 mm. Select the front plane, sketch. (56) and 28. Select extrude 20 mm. Here select offset up to 80 mm. Next select this surface, sketch. Give the dimensions. This is 40. The height is 45 plus 12.5, 12.5, 70 mm. Sorry, 35. Create one more line here. Create one center line to do the mirror. So select these 4 lines, mirror entities, mirror about center axis, finish sketch. Here select extrude, reverse the directions. There is a 5 mm offset, reverse the offset. Here select up to next. Okay. Next do the cutout here. Select this face, sketch, select line, give the constraints, select this line, horizontal constraint, select this and this point, give the vertical constraint. Next select convert entities, select this circle. Okay. Trim entities, trim the unwanted circle. Finish sketch, extruded cut, we can select here through hole. Next here there is a one cutout, that dimension is 30 by 10 mm. Create one rectangle, give the dimension, so finish sketch, extruded cut, through hole. Okay. Select this cutout, mirror, mirror about center plane. Okay. So we can check the drawing. There is a 8 by 8 keyway. Select this face, sketch, select one rectangle, give the dimensions, eight, 4, here to here, 18. So this we can give 8. Finish sketch, extruded cut, here select up to next. Assign the material, brushed steel, edit appearances, assign color. So we can change the machining surfaces. Here select this face, first change it as a face, select the faces, so that's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting please Please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session. So you can compare with the drawings one more time.